We are doing level 3 integration 2020 question 2D today. Right, if dy dx equals square root of y cosine 4x and y equals 1 when x is pi over 8, find the value of y when x equals pi over 4. Right, straightforward question. So this is a differential equation, isn't it? Now, the reason why they show this is to find the c. So once you complete the equation, you have to find the y when x is pi over 4. That's the question. So I'm going to show you. So from this, you have to split them. So all the terms with y, left-hand side, and terms with x, right-hand side. So to shift the square root of y to the left-hand side with dy, you must times by 1 over square root of y, isn't it? On both sides. So that leaves 1 over square root of y dy, and you get rid of dx and put dx the other side. So what it means is times by dx on both sides. That leaves right-hand side cosine 4x dx, right? So that's how you start the differential equation. Then you put integral on both sides, okay? So, well, what's the left-hand side? 1 over square root of y is what? Y to the power of negative half, isn't it? Right? Negative indicates its denominator, and square root is to the power of half, right? So when you integrate that, what do you get? Y to the power of half, right? Because it's 1, and over half, that becomes 2y to the power of half, or 2 square root of y, isn't it? Equals, and right-hand side, I haven't forgotten plus c. I'm gonna put the c all together on right-hand side. Okay, that's kind of a rule. So cosine becomes a sine, isn't it? Because it's a 4x, so you still say 4x and divide by 4, all right? That's how integrate works, right? With the trig. And then plus c, okay? Now, as I said, to find the c, you have to use this. So what it means is pi over 8, comma 1, isn't it? That's the coordinates. So plug pi over 8 into x and 1 into y to find the c. Okay, so let's put 1 into y first. So 1 to the power of half is just 1, isn't it? So 2 times 1 is 2 equals, what's the sign? 4 times pi over 8, which is pi over 2, which means, sign goes like this, right? So pi over 2 is 1. So that part becomes 1. So a quarter plus c. So hence c equals 2 minus a quarter. So 8 minus 1 is 7 quarters, isn't it? So I'm going to change it to square root of y equals sine 4x over 4 plus 7 over 4. Okay? Now, finally, we find y when x is pi over 4. So careful, it's not y, it's the square root of y, right? So at the end, we have to work out what y is. So plug pi over 4 into x first, then makes sine what? Pi. So sine pi is 0, isn't it? So that part becomes 0 plus 7 over 4. So what it says is 2 square root of y equals 7 over 4. That means the square root of y equals 7 over 8, right? So to get rid of square root, what do? You square both sides. Hence, y equals 49 over 64, isn't it? Should be the answer. Okay? All right. I will see you next time. Bye.